Hey guys, what's going on? I'm working on the project stock bottom end, and I think we found a stock bottom end that is good enough to go with. Matt, the owner of the car, currently found a motor on Facebook, and it was supposed to be a good low mile motor ready to go, and it was not. It already had bearings in it once with a 1010 crank. And yeah, main bearings didn't look much better. So I dug one out of my garage that had been sitting there for years that I hadn't seen the inside of yet, and pleasantly, it was dirty as heck, but it cleaned up pretty good. You can see there's still a factory forward band gasket in it. And it is a forged piston motor. Another one, I think this one's out of a Lincoln Mark 7, because it had, you can see down there, it had the big externally regulated alternator on it and a little bit different style brackets. So yeah, original pan gasket. We'll roll it over here. Also still had original head gaskets in it. Just a little bit of rust at the back of that cylinder. Pretty much no wear. Things in pretty damn good shape. Let's see. Hadn't seen a set of these gaskets in a while. Last time I'd seen them was probably over 20 years ago. I tore apart an 88 motor. And there you can see it has 86 part number with Felpro on there. I forgot that Felpro had made those for Ford. And I guess the worst looking one would be number 8 here. It's got a little bit of marking where the rings were sitting and a little bit of rust around the top of the cylinder. I might just emery cloth that out a bit right at the top. Not worried about it. I've run way worse and had it run just fine. So that's where we're at on it right now. I will, the old motor and the bad motor under the plastic there, I'll get the timing cover off and swap cams out and put the whole top end on it. Get the pan buttoned up. Kind of debating if I should check the bearings or just let it ride. I can't wiggle the rods at least, so we're probably all right. But I guess let me know what you think in the comments. All right, talk to you later.